Hi everybody, I'm making deer jerky. On the bottom I have Caribbean tenderloinish leg kind of roast jerky with um, a smoky mesquite. And then I also have on here a rib meat with the skin on, the silver on, because I like that crunch and I like that meatiness. And it's with Caribbean jerk from Lowry's. It's very, very good. And so, um, just to let you see, look how beautiful that is. That is my deer. I harvested this deer. I carved this deer. I took it apart, and it is very wonderful. We've already had a few. We've already had a few dehydrated jerky meat cuts from this, and I'm very proud of it. And yeah, so I'm super excited to try this. I really am. I'm very sustainable, and you only eat what you take off this earth, and that is the way God made it. Never take more than what you can use, because in my mind that is wrong. Eat what you take. So yeah, I'm very excited. I can't tell you how excited I am. My first kill, my first. I'm really excited. This is great. So if you guys are excited about this, I'm gonna post how it tastes, and hopefully it's really, really good. If it's not, sorry. So this is my first YouTube kind of like tutorial, anything, and it's coming from the Drunken Chef, because I love to cook while I drink, and I'm not apologetic for anything I do. I smoke, I drink, and I love to cook while I do it. And I make mistakes. Okay. I'm good with that. We all do. So, enjoy, and God bless.